I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by authenticating. Open Settings and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Once prompted, enter your device passcode so the system knows you're authorized. Make sure the phone is awake and unlocked before tapping any options. You're beginning the process now because touching the correct switches requires an active session. Don't skip entering the passcode. This initial authorization lets you change fingerprint settings and ensures you won't be locked out while disabling Touch ID. Once done entering your passcode, toggle off the switches for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and Apple Pay to stop Touch ID from authenticating those actions. If you prefer removing biometrics entirely, tap each saved fingerprint name and choose Delete. That prevents reactivation until you add new prints. Make sure to check all sections. If a toggle is grayed out, restart settings or the phone and repeat. This ensures the system re-registers your permissions changes and completes the middle steps. You finish by confirming there are no saved fingerprints and that all Touch ID toggles are off. After making changes, lock and unlock the phone to test that Touch ID no longer accepts prints. Use your passcode to sign in. If the feature still works, reboot the iPhone, and if necessary go to Settings, General Reset all settings. This preserves data but clears configuration. If problems continue, bring the device to an Apple Store for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.